video, President Trump outlined the scope of childhood chronic disease crisis and demanded to know, quote, what is going on? He committed, if elected, to establishing a presidential commission to take the problem head on and find solutions. The rest is history. It was only a few months later that President Trump and Robert F. Kennedy Jr. joined forces in an electrifying moment in a Phoenix, Arizona arena. It was one of the biggest moments of the campaign. And it wasn't just because Kennedys are charismatic. It was because Robert Kennedy had run a campaign of ideas. And one of the biggest ideas of Bobby Kennedy's campaign was that the country needed change and reform if we were going to protect the health of our children, because the status quo was all too clearly failing our families. On February 13th, 2025, President Trump signed Executive Order 14212, establishing the Make America Healthy Again Commission to address this rising crisis of chronic childhood disease. This commission has produced 2 reports. The first report was an assessment in May of the scope of the crisis. And today we issue the second report, the Make Our Children Healthy Again strategy. Today's report outlines a bold framework to improve children's health through 128 targeted directives and strategies.